Hi, this is Shelley Kraft and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. I'm here with Will McAndrew, Torchlight Energy, publicly traded company, and the symbol is TRCH. Will, always a pleasure to see you.
Shelley, it's always great. I was so surprised when I saw you here, and it's been a while, and it's just great to be here with you.
It's really good to see you. So let's get into it. Tell me about, and our audience, about Torchlight.
Well, Torchlight Energy is a fully reporting company. We just filed for uplisting to NASDAQ. We'll be trading on NASDAQ exchange this month. We've met all the requirements. We have properties in Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas. We should be at around 400 to 500 barrels a day net to the company by the end of this month. We have partners that are New York Stock Exchange companies, so we potentially have our exit strategy in place 2-3 years from now. We've hit some significant wells with our partners, and I believe that next year we'll probably have over 100 wells that will be drilled and completed in 3 states.
Well, you're the oil man that I know the longest in the oil business and in the microcap world. So what does 2014 look like, both for the company and in oil in general?
Well, for the company, it's a significant time. We're going to be 400 to 500 barrels by the end of this month. I mean, by the 31st. By this time next year, we should be around 2,500 barrels a month and be on a listed exchange. And so when you start adding those two things together with the type of production, the type of activity that we're going to be having, with the type of partners that we're having, they put out a press release, it's our press release. Just like with Ring Energy or Gas Star, you'll just look them up, they're out there. And so you'll see some of the things that we're doing and some of the success that we have. And talking about the future of the oil and gas industry, I think that's really significant. And I'm old school, 4 generations in the oil and gas business, so I think of oil at $9 to $17 oil. It could do that again. So we have all new wells, there's no reworks, there's no tertiary, secondary recovery, so it's new pipe, new equipment, new everything. And our exploration cost to find oil at the bits probably running around $8, $9, $10, $11, $12 a barrel. And to get it out of the ground into a tank that we can sell it, produce it and sell it, that's about another $10, $11 a barrel. So we're at break even in the $22, $23 per barrel range. So while we can still make money at $25 a barrel, in case that happens, which I don't foresee it happening, $95 a barrel looks a lot better.
So Will, as a U.S. energy company, and you're in a few states in the United States, tell me what's going on in those particular regions and where most of your wells are actually located.
Well, one of the things, Shelley, as you know, have known me for years and all, I've always tried to focus on relationships. And so we're in Texas, we're in Oklahoma, we're in Kansas. We're with people that I've known for a long time, or that one of the partners in the company has known for a long time. So it's all relationship driven. And none of the projects we have, or you go to these conferences where they have all the companies and geologists and landmen out showing their deals and they're promoted. Here, all of our deals are just heads up straight, either a very small carried up front, no back ends after payout. All the wells, drilling and completion cost are at cost, not cost plus. So everything we do is relationship driven. So we're down in South Texas, surrounded by Hunt and Exxon. We're in central Oklahoma, where we have a 3-rig program running right now, 3 wells a month, 12,000 foot wells a month, 8,000 vertical and 4,000 foot lateral. Gas Star, who's at the conference today, we're in a bunch of wells with them, and some of the biggest wells they just announced this last week, 1,442 barrels of oil and gas equivalents per day. And while we may have a small piece of it and they have a bigger piece, at least we're in the same wells they are. So when they put their press release out, they're kind of putting out our press release. So you take their interest and put our interest in where their interest is, and that's our deal. And then we announced about a month ago a joint venture with Ring Energy. You may know Tim and Stan, are familiar with them, but they did Arena Resources, went from zero, sold it for $1.6 billion to Sand Ridge. They've created over $3 billion of wealth from zero in the last 10, 11, 12 years. And so we're joint venturing with them on a 50-50 deal, heads up, on 17,000 acres in West Kansas. And then we have an 18,000 acre play in central Kansas. There we have another New York Stock Exchange company that's looking to work with us there. So we're surrounded by the big boys, or the elephants as some would say, and we're just the small guys just trying to come around and pick up bits and pieces here, there, and yonder. And that's about 45, 50,000 acres right now that we have opportunity on. or over 1,000 wells in inventory of the primary objective, not all the uphole pay like pancake stack pay behind pipe that has multiple formations to produce, but over 1,000 wells in inventory that the due diligence is done, all the work has been done, engineering, geology, legal. Title work has been done. So all that's behind us. And then this next year, we're going to drill and complete over 100 wells in 3 states. It's going to be a significant year for us next year.
It sounds like you're going to be busy, Mr. Will.
Well, I'm retired, you know.
Okay, let's give our audience the website.
It's www.torchlightenergy.com, TRCH, Tango, Romeo, Charlie, Hotel.
Ladies and gentlemen, Will McAndrew. Torchlight Energy, TRCH. I'm Shelly Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're coming to you from the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. Will,
Appreciate it.
Always a pleasure to see you.
Good.